Guys, check it out. 2015 Lexus RC350. Nice green, olive green, you want to say? I don't know the name of the color. Check that out. Got nice wheels on it too. I like it. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got converter, factory up here. One there you can't see. Secondary converters there. X-pipe. Then we cut everything off, as you guys can see there. Got the resonators and his glass backs he had on it and everything. And ran 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And then we had 2 Apex mufflers laying around that we cut off another Lexus. It's about a $1,600 mufflers set out the back. Apex mufflers. So it came out nice and clean. Look, it looks really good. Again, I love the color. I love the custom lights. He makes it his own, which I like. That's what everybody needs to do. Everybody needs to change their cars to fit their personality. And he's a super cool dude, man. We appreciate you bringing it in. Of course. He's one of our big fans, so I'm glad he brought it down. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And thank you so much. Like I was saying, resonators are right there. 2-inch pipe that we cut off. He did some work, him and his buddy, before on it with cherry bombs, which is one of the best I've seen so far. So not bad at all. And tips. So we cut it off and just cleaned it up for him. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, 2015 Lexus RC350. Here we go. Look at his face.
That's how a Lexus sounds. Thank you so much to Exhaust Addicts, everything. Thank you.
Appreciate you for bringing it down, man.
Of course, man.
Again? Yeah, it's clean. Yeah, no raps. See that? Imagine when you get down on it.
Yeah.
And it leaves.
Yeah. It sounds so much deeper.
Much better than the cherry bomb.
Definitely, man. Is that much better than the cherry?
Again?
I remember noticing the lights.
Oh, yeah. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 98. That's not bad at all.
You can hit that rev.
Hit that rev limiter. He's going to let us do it. Go ahead.
Good.
That's clean. Go ahead and back it up. He can't even stand no more. He's happy. If he's happy, I'm happy. I love it.
Oh, man. Thank you so much again to Exhaust Addicts, man. It's still the most amazing, best exhaust shop I've ever been to. 10 out of 10 recommended. I had no clue this place was in Nashville or Tennessee.
And how long you been a fan?
I've always been a fan. 2 years. 2 years now. I didn't know they were local here.
So we're local to Nashville. This is our beautiful shop, guys, in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a holler if you guys need anything. Here's our phone number. Call us. We can help. Go ahead. That's clean. And it's a coupe. I like it. I like that sound. It's just a clean, deep tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. '15 Lexus RC350 with jade green plastic dip all throughout, carbon front lip, carbon badging, so it's clean. And we just finished it off with Apex mufflers out the back. Sounds good. Perfect. Not crazy loud, not crazy quiet. That's a clean, deep tone. Enjoy, guys.